Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2, conclusion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solution, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion, yeah. Okay. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion, the wife. Number 2, confusion. Wife number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, a Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solutions, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion, and everybody in commotion, yeah. A Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation.
Come to think of it, the peace that is reigning in this house, it's unhealthy. Since mommy, please travel. No more quarreling, no fighting, and no peace, no sit down.
What rubbish is that one? What is your problem?
Can't you take a joke?
What kind of joke is that? I don't want you to
I was really
disrespect
joking.
yourself.
What, Papa? No, I haven't seen it. Benro. Can you imagine Benro is having Papa?
What is that? Kenny. See, really, ó wà lára gbogbo ní òṣèré dẹrẹdẹrẹdẹrẹ tẹ gbà pé ẹ wọn pápá.
Jùmọ̀kẹ́. Jùmọ̀kẹ́.
Ẹ̀yin tó yẹ kó ti mú kó ti fi ṣe nǹkan dànù.
Sister Jimmy, your father called it thou.
As I was going to answer, your father. Ó wà lára òṣèré dẹrẹdẹrẹdẹrẹ gòrògò. You are a woman. You will soon see what every woman sees. You won't come. You are a girl. You won't come. You are a girl. Pero you two will soon marry.
Come in.
Sir?
When did your mother say she was coming back?
Next week, Bami.
What do you mean next week?
It is not me. It is what she said.
Shut up! How can she come back next week? What does she mean? Who will do all that she has to do here? Who will take care of her children? Look, why did she say she was staying that late? Am I not talking to you? What is wrong with your mouth? If you don't remove that mouth to talk to me, I beg you for it.
Sorry, sir.
Nonsense. Why did your mother decide to extend the permission I gave to her without permission?
Mommy, I don't know.
You know! You know! Because the two of you work out things together. You plan things together, so you know.
Baby, she didn't tell me.
All right. Okay, let me tell you. If she does not come back to this house today, or latest tomorrow evening, you will see what I'm going to do to you. Nonsense. Now go and get me something to eat.
Baby, mommy the third is cooking.
No, it is your mother's week in the kitchen. See, so go and find me something to eat.
Yes, sir.
Now wow.
Well, people, your salvation has come.
How?
Today, I take over the kitchen.
Thank God. Goodbye to Thank God though. Goodbye to Medemede.
Sister Jumi, on your side.
Yes.
Look, no sizing of meat in the kitchen, no. No, you size all the meat in the kitchen now.
Anyone who helps me will get double ramingo.
She's in the kitchen.
Oh.
We don't like her. We should go and drag her.
Mommy, please leave the kitchen till further notice. Says you.
Papa,
It is a week. It was her mother's week.
But she inherited it.
Yeah.
Are you living in one pieces?
Yeah.
Or in pieces?
Who says I enjoyed cooking for you, Barbarian? Ah,
Oh!
hold it, I'm coming, oh.
Open this door. Come here. Where are you? Come here. Oh yeah. You are Mrs. Fuji.
We are three, oh. Three Mrs. Fuji, oh.
Shut up! I said you're under arrest.
Wait, oh. This suspect is black and white. But the criminal, they said, is yellow, short, and round.
Hey. That is Yellow Papa, wife number 2.
Where is she?
She traveled.
Liar.
No.
Oh, yeah, let's go.
Just wait.
Hey, Shapa, no! See as this one they spit like cotton.
Oh, this is your plan. You want to use speed to color our eyes?
No. I beg.
Oh yeah, Asebu.
Hey, police, Adwaya.
Mr. Man, do you want police trouble?
No.
So mind your business.
That woman you are touching anyhow is my business.
Yes.
Because I married her under the traditional laws of my people.
Okay. Identify yourself.
Tajuddin Adebowale Fuji. Chief!
You are wanted at the station.
For what offense?
We shall tell you at the stations.
Where is your warrant of arrest?
Okay. You want to teach us our job, eh? Because you think you are a rich man, then you are above police authority. Move!
Don't mind the braggart bagger. Will you move now?
Police, let me tell you, I am not leaving this place until I know my crime.
Yes. Okay. You will know your crime. then I will accidentally discharge you now.
All right. Sorry, police, sorry. I surrender.
What is the yellow Miss Fuji that you want?
Tell her to come and exchange her husband when she comes.
But I am thin and black.
Madam, move now.
Okay, Bami.
Call him. Call anybody. In fact, call Babangida. I will call him. You cannot intimidate us.
I will call him.
Teach us our job.
Oh, I wonder.
In short, you are under arrest.
For what now?
You are asking me. You are under arrest. I said you are under arrest. I will discharge him. Oh, yeah, move. Why are you taking him to what? I will arrest you. I will arrest you. Bring that man here.
I don't follow. I'm not among.
Follow them, do it.
Whatever you say him do, chief him do it. Him be very wicked man. Him do it.
Search this man. Search him very well.
What police? What police? Look, I know them.
What class?
Thank God.
Thank God. Thank God that you are under arrest for accessory to murder with a cutlass.
Mbaluwa police, I know more down.
Oh yeah, go back. I said we should go back. I will arrest you. Arrest.
No, not.
You are still following. I will arrest you.
Go inside.
Come here. If not for their uniform, I swear I would have injured them. I will be there.
Where is the power?
My power. My power. I will just be. Don't hold you.
Hey, move.
Let them come again. If they come out.
Sure, sir. These are the criminals.
Which one is this?
Sir, I don't know, sir. In fact, they were all resisting arrest. They even abused us and beat us up.
You beat up police officers going about their lawful duties?
No, sir. We were just
Shut up! Who told you women are permitted to talk? If not for your husband there.
How can Alika be my husband?
What is fantastic about you? I will send you to the garden where you see taller and finer criminals. Nonsense. Which of you is Peace Fuji? You won't say anything. There is a long list of accusations against you people, and you're standing there looking at me like Dundies. You, Mr. Man, identify yourself. You're going to jail. Life imprisonment. Nonsense.
What did we do?
Look, you cannot intimidate me. You cannot intimidate me. Irrespective of who you know, I don't care who you know. The petition against you is straight from the IG. I am a lawyer and I know the law. I know that it is an offense for you to go around killing people's chickens.
Chicken?
You mean you brought me here because of a chicken?
The petition here says you, Peace Fuji, on the 29th day of July, you, Peace Fuji, willfully killed the chicken of one Mrs. Titi Remileku.
Titi.
Yes. On the said day, you attacked her, killed the chicken after it was bought from Ebekuku Junction. On that fateful day, you tore her clothes, broke her head, assaulted her, ripped her clothes apart, and sexually assaulted her.
Wait. Sexually assaulted who? Titi or the chicken?
Is that what you're asking me? You will go to jail.
Ah.
IPO.
Sir.
Take them away, let them make their statement. Bring me the complainant.
Yes, sir. You are making a worker.
Please.
Make on a move.
Officer, hey.
Move now. Come on, criminals.
Hey. Madam Titi. Hey.
My landlord killed the chicken. Would you have the house for me to live in?
Trust me. By the time I finish with them, you'll be the only VIP tenant in that house. Just follow my lead. Meanwhile, the trip to the house and back cost 3,000 naira.
Maddy, but I gave you 5,000 naira.
Don't you have to settle the boys? This is police case. Police case costs money.
All this money I'm giving out to you, you think it's not paying me? Because you want to. That's the money.
Then you can go and make your statement now.
Statement again?
Madam.
Oh,
Madam, you are trying to teach me my job, and I don't like it. Your brother, who is my friend, I promised him I will handle this matter. So allow me to do my job, okay? Who is there?
Sir.
Go to that Chinese restaurant. Buy me shark fin soup. Add some mixed fried rice, diced, and some crab chop soup with some sweet and sour prawns. And then have this for family support.
Thank you, sir.
When I collect, you collect.
Thank you, sir.
Carry on.
Listen, I have told you, see, our love is past finding out. Yes. See, if you don't know, let me tell you. You see, you are as sweet as you are as sweet as beef stroganoff. Yes. Oh, you do not know how strong my love for you is. Ah, baby, sweetheart. My love for you, you see, my love for you is so strong that not even the strongest bomb.
Rabiu, who are you toasting on the phone? Will you drop that phone at once?
Sweetheart, I will call you back shortly, Hey, my love. Baby girl. One and only. Kiss this.
Rabiu!
Look, can't one make a call in peace in this house again?
Who were you calling on the phone?
Why you not there when Papa said I should call Uncle Raji?
Uncle Raji is now big strong enough,
Look, just mind your business. Look, I am the man of the house. You can look at me up and down, okay? I am a man. And from now on, I'm in charge till further notice. Is that clear?
In the words of a famous man, your head needs check-up.
While we are at it, where's our lunch?
Yes, so where's our food?
Come and eat me, Inugo.
I would have loved to, you see, but you're not sweet.
How you can afford to eat when your whole family is in jail? I don't know.
It's very simple. You see, my head needs food to function.
Not only food, it needs a brain also.
Yeah! Look, I will disorganize some teeth, yo.
Teeth, not teeth, my teacher said.
I will just conk it out.
Leave my brother alone.
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2, oh conclusion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solution, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion, yeah. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion, the wife. Number 2, oh conclusion. Wife number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, a Fuji house